The Goa Human Rights Commission had taken suo motu cognizance of a media report highlighting the plight of retirees who had been struggling without their primary source of livelihood for 22 months as the Pernem Municipal Council had failed to release their pensions. During the inquiry by the Goa Human Rights Commission, the Chief Officer of Pernem Municipal Council admitted to a 21-month delay in disbursements. The council attributed the lapse to the financial constraints and stated that it had sought a special budgetary grant from the Directorate of Municipal Administration as recently as 31st March 2026. However, the Commission rejected financial hardship as a valid justification for withholding pension payments. Citing a Supreme Court judgment, the Goa Human Rights Commission emphasized that pension is a right of the pensioner and not a bounty or a matter of grace. The GHRC further observed that the pension is a social welfare measure intended to ensure employees are not left in lurch during their old age, and the delay from July 2024 to March 2026 constitutes a direct violation of human rights, recommending that the Chief Officer of the Pernem Municipal Council release the outstanding pensions within 60 days along with the interest at 8%. The Goa Human Rights Commission directed the Council to submit an action-taken report by 17th June 2026. With Makbul in Pernem, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.